You're welcome to our program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy, brought to you by Universal Empire. Today we shall be looking at Ethnic Crisis Part 3. I am your host, Sir Bambam. Stay tuned, we'll be back.
As a life coach, Sir Bambam champions a holistic course of raising captains of industry, exposing people to self-discovery, and influencing businessmen into entrepreneurial synergy to build multi-global organizations, businesses, and empires. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more info. Thank you.
You're welcome back to our program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy. Topic, Ethnic Crisis Part 3. Today we shall be concentrating on how ethnic groups were created in Nigeria. In our last edition, we were talking on how Nigeria was created. And we did mention that a British researcher called Flora Louise Shaw was deployed to this part of the world to unravel the mystery behind anti-slavery in East-West Africa, and she spotted two reasons why our settlement cannot be conquered by the British from 1802 to 1897, where she profiled the solution that we need to be broken into units, that they need to divide us. And that was when they came up with this program of division, partitioning Africa and Nigeria in 3 units. The fourth unit lied low, that is Eastern Protectorate, Western Protectorate, and the Northern Protectorate, which over time was called regions: Northern Region, Eastern Region, and the Western Region. This happened between 1897 and Nigeria was conquered and became a colonial territory in the big empire of British colonial territory in 1900. At this time where Nigeria was conquered, there was no ethnic name called Hausa land, Yoruba land, or Igbo land. But there were other small kingdoms and names as communities or settlements existing. I want to bring us to the understanding that we went on research to as far as Cotonou, Benin, to find out if there be any place they called Yoruba land. And we discovered there is no place called Yoruba land in Benin, called Cotonou, which is the extension of Nigeria, the borderline, the common borderline between Nigeria and Benin. There we have Yoruba speaking people. If actually the land Yoruba extended to that place before the creation of this country, Nigeria, they would have been answering Yoruba in Benin. We also went as far as Niger and etc., where we have common border lines, to find out if there be any place called Hausa land in Benin. And we discovered that there are Hausa-speaking people in Benin, but there is nothing like Hausa land in Benin. So we came up with the discovery that these names were created or were formed probably after 1900. If they were existing as ordinary names, fine, but before this time, there were no such names. However, ethnics are created in 2 reasons. 1, for common identity. 2, for political fracas. If it is common identity, it is good. We endorse it. It is a normal thing anywhere in the world. But if it is for political fracas, then we should wake up and destroy it. From the look of things, as I talk to you, it is obvious that the ethnic groups created in Nigeria were more of political fracas than common identity. That is why Nigerian politics had hijacked the name and the settlement. And today, we serious problem with ethnic relationship. And they made us to believe that we are not one. They made us to believe that we cannot be one, which is not true. However, after the British divided us and colonized us, between 1900 till 1914, they were not able to do anything in the land. The entire land was silent. They came to the realization as they went to the archives that we had a very strong bond before they divided us. And they had to go back to the bond to move the country forward and also to excavate the resources for which they came here. That was the reason for the 1914 amalgamation. They had to bring us all together. The way we were as one people and not divided. It was based on that between 1914 to 1960 when the British handed over the country governance or leadership to us. They skyrocketed everything about this country to the water. Nigeria economy was at the water. Our schools were at the water. Our hospitals were at the water. How do I know this? In 1973, 2nd January, when Naira was launched, Naira was as powerful as pound. Naira was equal to pound and heavier than dollar. As a result of the politics in ethnic, everything the British left here was destroyed. And unfortunately, all of us are busy blaming the British. We shall get to the reason why the British colonized us, and they are still colonizing us till today. What we are going through today in the hands of a Britain is called neo-colonialism. Otherwise, I don't understand, and I can't explain the reason why. Anytime we are going for elections in Nigeria, we have to go to Chatham House. And I'm still waiting for somebody to explain to me the meaning of Chatham House. That we need to go to Britain. I don't know what. For more info, check our details on the screen, our YouTube channel, our website, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.